Okay, so I want to show you how I'm going to be using the gathered fruit. So this is the gathered fruits. I'm going to be using this flat screw to remove the general foot that was on the machine before. So it's not so tight, so to just drop off as I'm so to just I'll have to loosen it a bit with my hand. Then I'll also try to put it back with my hand a bit. When it's a bit firm, I will now use the screw to tighten it. Okay, so just watch how I'm going to be trying to show you. Yes, that's gone in now. So there's no way my hand will make it tight completely, so I'm still going to have to use the flat screw that I use. See that it fell down because it's not tight, so this one will make it more tight now. Okay, so I already passed the thread from the upper part, and I also passed the thread through the bobbin on the lower part. See, yeah, so this is the thread at the upper part, and I'm going to have to choose the stitch that will be best for gathers. Okay, yeah, so it's the most loose one on it. That is the one before the zigzag, and I use the stitch regulator by the side to control it. Okay, and the last one. Okay, so I'm going to be trying to use this fabric. This fabric is multicolored, so I'm still going to use another one, but just watch how I'm going to be doing that. Okay, just gather it. See the way it's gathering the cloth together. Okay, I've done it, so I'll cut off the thread. By the way, that's gathered together. So I want to show you another side in case this part is not clear. Okay, so watch the way I'm going to be doing it on the other side. Yes, so another gathering, I'm gathering it. It's going to be gathering the cloth together. So I decided to take a plain fabric now, so that is going to show. I think a softer fabric works perfectly with this fruit. So this fabric is it's like chiffon. Yeah, it's like chiffon. Okay, so gather it like that, so it just keeps moving, and this one is clearer. So you can decide to put them together, to pull the gathers closer to each other, and you can decide to pull it far from each other depending on how you've calculated it. So you have two different thread. Okay, you have two different thread showing. So you're going to have to pull one, or you spread it a bit. But usually the normal gathering that the fruit has given you, it's usually fine for me. Usually okay, gathered usually enough. So I just make sure I measure it correctly. I see the way I'm trying to pull it together the more. Okay, and I can also spread it more. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Try yours. Try to use a light fabric to bring out the beauty even more, or you just do your normal gathering with your machine to get it perfect.